Very happy morning to one and all. Since you are going to write a September monthly exam, the portion Ice Cup of Tea, the Casuarina Tree, and Life of Pi, we are going to revise what you are going to study. You already well known and already gave the study material also. Even though I just wanted to give you the particular part to study, most importantly for the thorough study. Okay, let's see the title and the parts. See what is the main concept in Nice Cup of Tea. There are 11 golden points brought out by George Orwell about making a nice cup of tea. Okay, the first one is, the first one is one should use Indian or Ceylonese tea. That is the selection, choice of tea pack. And the second one is tea made in small quantities. Here it is mentioned. Okay. Third, third point is always the teapot should be warmed. We like always to take it's better to hot. Then fourth one is tea should be very strong. And fifth, tea put in straight to the into the pot. No, I mean not using the strainer, muslin bag or anything. And the sixth one is one should take teapot to the kettle. So this is a manner, this is a nice attitude, a nice set of, it is better having the coffee with the correct place to the correct method. That is why that. Okay, then seventh point is making after tea one should stir it, mix it well. And eighth, one should drink out. See, even the author says selection of a breakfast cup, selection of tea cup also. And the ninth one, no, no milk. It is better to have without milk. And even if those people are interested using milk, we should cream up, otherwise it feels sickly flavor. And the tenth one, one should pour the tea into the cup first. And last but not the least, the 11th point is a super point, that is Russian style tea one should use. It means without sugar. This is what the 11 golden points. Make it clear and read well. If you are reading from the textbook, it will be very nice. And then next, what you are going to read, the part that I am going to revise now. Read well this part, this synonyms part, glossaries: curious, controversial, virtuous, despise, stimulation, optimistic, all-round, rationing, dazzling, spout, liable, mysterious, etiquette. So these synonyms, read it well. And also the question answer, based on your understanding of the text, answer each of the following questions in one or two sentences. Okay, the question answer I gave you already, and you students, you people have written itself, we made correction. So read it this part also very well and thoroughly. See how many questions are there, see last there is a 2 A B, from A to O. So you have to read. And also this part, based on your understanding of the text, answer each of the following questions in 4 or 5. At least you can bring out your own answer from the textbook. Okay, while reading the text, what are the author's view on China tea? He says that China tea is best and cheap and best, so you can write, you can use that point. How does adding sugar affect the taste? It gives a sickly of flavor, that is elucidate the author's ideas about the teapot, the selection of teapot, the Cauldron army tea, how it is made. So you can use it your own answer also. And finally, come summarize, this paragraph, read very well. And it is better to bring out your own answer. It is very nice, it is very good. And golden rules of tea, you student, fill it up. Tea should be made in what? In teapot. About what? Small quantities, right? That is. Finally, the vocabulary part. Find out the synonyms of the underlined word in which of the following sentence. This vocabulary part. And there is antonyms also here. Here the antonym part you must read. After the nice cup of tea, we came back, we come back the poem Our Casuarina Tree by Toru Dutt. Here read out the poetic lines. If you have known the topic and reading the lines, if you understood the lines properly, it is very nice. And it is very good to get the answer from the question, from appreciation question. That is why I'm insisting to read these lines, these poetic lines you must read. Okay, the next this poem is about Casuarina tree, is about to revive her childhood memory. Okay, you know this very well, you know, and you read it again and again. And finally, what the part you are going to study, this glossary part. Okay, this glossary part you read: gallantly, repose, casement, baboon, kokilas, wind, whore, enmast, shingle, wraith, you know, transit, sublime, faint, consecrate. And this is also, you guys, you can fill it, you can fill this part. And yes, come on, next one, read the lines given below and answer the question. This one, you know, this one you can read. That is the poetic appreciation. Poetic appreciation you must read: a creeper climbs in whose embrace bound no other tree could live. Okay, which tree is referred in above lines? Of course, the Casuarina tree. So set A, set B, set C, there are three there. And finally ERC, explain the following lines with reference to the context. Okay, from poem read the poetic lines, appreciation question, glossaries, and ERC. Okay, next we move into supplementary reader. Life of Pi, Jan Martel. You know, Pi, the Pison, Molitor. You know the story very well, and many of you have watched the movie also. And even though I want to tell you what you want to study from this part, the first thing you must read the text. You should know the text line. It is better, it gives better feeling, you know, rather hearing. Okay, while you are reading you can get to know the picturization, the imagination comes slowly. So that is why it is very important to read the text lines, you must know it. And finally, once you finished and come to read this glossaries part. So glossary from every, even it is either a prose, a poem, or this supplementary, it is very important to read the meanings. Once we know the synonyms meanings, it is very it will be useful to get understand what the context says. So here, once you finished and try to answer the following questions in one or two sentences, you know, you try to give answers. Okay, and then finally paragraph answer and a paragraph Richard Parker. And even though if you are able to write the whole story, then it is nice. So you must read paragraph questions, this questions are set to, and also, and this one, read this part also. Sequence the following incident logically to write the summary of the story Life of Pi. So the story Life of Pi already given here. It is in cogent order. You want to make it in correct order, the sequence. Okay, you must. So these are the parts you must read very well. Glossaries, there's based on your understanding this part, and also summary, this golden rules of tea preparation. You guys once see, when you will able to fill this part, you know, this golden rules of tea preparation, until you don't read that, you cannot fill it. Until you wrote you read the textbook, you cannot fill it this part. So that I am advising you to read the textbook. Once you know, and it is very easy to answer for anything from anything. And this vocabulary, see, there is also synonyms, and this is synonyms and antonyms part is there, you can write and also read. And this part you don't want. Okay, once we teach you, after then we will read this part. From poem read the lines like a huge python winding round and round, you know, these lines. So read the lines, study this glossaries. If you know the glossary, you will easily able to understand what the poetic line says. And you guys children, fill in the blanks choosing the words from the box given and complete the summary of the poem, you know, that is also you must read. It is very easy to fill up. Okay, after then finally the poetic appreciation and ERC from this. Okay, from supplementary read From supplementary also, I would advise that read them textbook, read these lines. And finally, come to glossaries and sequence of the order, sequence to the cogent order sentences, and this glossaries. This answer, try to give answer of your own. Describe the pathetic condition of Pi in the middle of the ocean, how he was all alone, he was abandoned, alone. Who is Richard Parker? Is a survivor, he is a savior. Who was Richard Parker? Savior of Pi. Because of he only, because of Richard Parker only, our Pi saved. That is why he lived happily. So this sequence of following instructions in incident logically to write the summary of the story of life, that is already summary is there. You just wanted to make it in correct order. When you know the correct order, once you know the story, until you didn't read it, you cannot make it in correct order. So it is nice once you read out the story. And this is what your revision. I'll send you the full unit study material. Make it use have the material